Hey YouTube, new project. Got a 98 Ford Exploder. Got 125,000 miles on it. This is the single overhead KM1. It's got like 3 or 4 timing chains in it. I gotta take that tight bastard out of there. Oh well. Yeah, I guess the Cuban man 728, he's doing one today. He's changing a motor on a 99 Ford Exploder. Same thing happened. Got the other engine right here. Came out of a 2000 Ford Explorer. Got 86,000 on it. So that's today's project. Shop's a mess. There's my old truck motor over there. Still don't have that thing put together. Transmission out of a 99 Sunfire I got out there, just finished. And I'm still looking for a BMW motor 4.4 for a 2000, 2001 740. Or they're in a 99 to 2003 540. But that's what we got going on today. Also want to do a shout out to some new YouTubers I got. Looking for my marbles, goindeff, and of course Sour Tongues too. Some new YouTubers I met on there. Some great guys. Got some good videos. I went and checked out their channels and pretty good guys. Stop in and give their channels a look-see. Other than that, that's about it for now. Talk to you guys later. Bye.